Welcome to Tim and Johanns Cooking Show. I'm Tim.
I'm Johann.
Today we're going to be making buttermilk chocolate muffins.
So here we have cocoa powder, here we have sugar, flour, and buttermilk, salt, baking powder, butter, baking soda, and eggs.
Alright, so now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So we start off with one half cup of sugar.
Then we add 1 cup of flour. Flour adds structure to the recipe.
Alright, now we need 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa.
1/4 cup of butter softened.
So now we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
And 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Now we're gonna mix it like one harder mix of 3. Now we're gonna mix the egg and the buttermilk in the wet ingredients. Very nice.
Alright, then we're gonna add the buttermilk. So 1/2 cup of buttermilk.
You have to put the liquid measuring cup on the table so that it's accurate or not any flat surface.
After you added the wet ingredients together, now you just whisk it to mix it up. Alright, so once you made the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, you mix them together.
So we have to spray the muffin tin over the sink so that we don't get any on the floor and no one breaks their ankle. Now we're gonna put the batter on the muffin tin.
Alright, so now once you've done everything, put your batter into the muffin tin and put it into the oven. Make sure the oven's at 350 degrees and leave it in for 10 minutes.
So you have to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds or sing the ABCD alphabet twice. Now we're gonna take the muffins out of the oven.
But first, you just stick a toothpick in it. And if it comes out clean, it's done and you can get out for consumption. So I hope you learned how to make the buttermilk chocolate muffins.
Thanks for watching the Tim and Johann Show.